welcome to my studio. I'm going to be carrying on this self-portrait today, adding in a bit more, not particularly going to any greater detail, but filling in on the left-hand side, that cupboard over there. This is Pineapples, and I'm hoping he's going to let me paint in a minute. So here it is, sped up to a time lapse, because it's a very slow process. So there we go. There's what might be technically known as gubbins. And the Sports Direct bag has gone by popular demand. So next task is just this wall. So doing the negative space around the objects. So at the end of a painting session, I generally take a step back, I have a look in a mirror. I've got a couple of mirrors in my room here, and looking at this, I think basically it's going in the right direction, but I haven't done the colour on these walls yet. So I think the next thing I'm going to do is put the colour on these walls, and I really want to think about bringing this area forward and being lighter. So I am thinking I'm going to do this a bit darker, and then possibly I might just reduce some of the contrast in this area here. I want to keep a sense of the the busyness of it all, but like these here I think are too bright. So I will be I'm kind of resolving between the photograph. I quite like the light in the photograph that I took of this pose, so I'll be looking for decisions that are maybe a happy medium between the photograph and life. The light changes during the day in the studio, so yeah, I just think that background, although I like the description of what's going on, I think it's too forward, pops a bit too much. Okay, but thanks for watching. I'm going to show you Pineapples now. He's just round here. I think I can swing the camera around. He has slept through the whole thing. It's hard work being a studio cat.